The Nissan Armada, particularly models from 2005 to 2020, faces scrutiny for reliability issues. This full-size SUV has been popular for its space and towing capacity, but common problems affect many owners. Key issues include transmission failures, such as slipping gears and overheating. These often stem from inadequate cooling and design flaws in older automatic transmissions. Engine faults are another major concern, with timing chain wear affecting older models and potential turbo-related problems in newer versions. These can lead to sudden failures requiring expensive repairs. Electrical and electronic issues are widespread, causing battery drain and problems with the infotainment system. These often result from faulty wiring or aging components. Repair costs are often high, particularly for transmission repairs that can exceed $5,000. While newer models from 2017 onward show some improvement, persistent concerns remain. As of late 2025, the redesigned Armada is available internationally but hasn't been confirmed for the US market, leaving buyers to rely on potentially problematic used models. Common faults to watch for include transmission issues, especially in pre-2017 models, electrical problems, which are actually increasing in frequency for later models, and potential turbo lag or carbon buildup in the new V6 models. Trends indicate fewer transmission-related complaints in newer models, but rising electrical faults. Expert opinions suggest the Armada scores below average for reliability compared to competitors. Before buying a used Armada, a pre-purchase inspection focusing on transmission and electrical systems is crucial. Consider extended warranties to mitigate potential repair costs. Also understand that while you can find aftermarket parts, a lot of the repairs need specialized tools.